We start by adding our flour, eggs, sugar, milk, stir like this, and it's ready. Bananas, just quickly peel off my bananas, peel the second one off. So I'm gonna cut ready bananas into the batter, and we stir. Olive oil in the frying pan, one banana into the oil, another banana into the oil, adding the bananas. We flip to make sure we have perfectly fried bananas, giving you malicious vibes. Our banana snacks are ready. Just take into the plate. Very easy to make, very delicious and perfect. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on it, and our snack is ready. Thank you for watching, and
Bye bye.